Eliminate all the color off your palette and just start with 3 primaries. You can create your greens, you can create your oranges, create your violets. I'm teaching you how to use a limited palette and create a lot of different moods with that limited palette. We think that we got to have a lot of different color on the palette to create different moods. We don't. The mood is created by the value structure. When I talk about value structure, I'm talking about the light and dark patterns, how you arrange those within your painting. And the organization and the relationship of those values one to another is what establishes the mood. The moods that I've created in this video are entirely different. I think you'll see very clearly what can be done with a very limited palette. That's a strong lesson. You can do this.